Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic Artistry palette. And that's what it looks like on the inside. And we're going to play with this and kind of see what I can come up with and see what the formula is like and kind of what we think about the formulation. So if you want to see what I think and the look I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to clip up my hair. I'm going to take my glasses off. And I'm going to put on a little bit of Milani eye primer. And I already did my eyebrows with the hourglass arch. I've really been loving it since I got it in my BoxyCharm. If anybody knows of a dupe for the hourglass arch that's cheaper, a drugstore dupe, just let me know because I'd love to find one because I really like it. I'm going to take Cute Shoes right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, I'm going to take Playtime right here. And I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. Alright, I'm going to take this shade right here called Ooh La La on my finger. And I'm going to put that just on the inner part of my eye. I'm going to take a cotton round and some micellar water and just clean up all my edges. Alright, I'm going to put on the number 7 Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer. This is what the bottle looks like, by the way. Alright, now I'm taking the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum Foundation, and it has a broad spectrum SPF of 15. And I'm using my BK 101 brush that I used yesterday. I'm really loving this brush. It's it's just like the perfect shape to get right up where you need it to. And it's dense, but it's also fluffy. Like, it's just amazing. And I'm using the number 7 Lift Illuminate Serum Concealer. I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm going to try to blend that out with my BK Beauty brush again. Got some dark circles that won't quit today. Alright, I'm going to go into the number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Taking the number 7 bronzer in Golden Sand. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to warm my face up with this. I'm going under the chin. And down the neck. Behind the ear. I'm going to do the Milani Baked Powder Blush and Luminoso. That's what she looks like. I'm going over my nose, so I'm sunburnt and sun-kissed. And I'm going to go into the Milani Strobe Light and Afterglow. If I can open it up, and that's what it looks like. I'm just going to put that on the high points of my cheeks. Do over my brow, other brow, down the nose, cupid's bow, chin, I'm just going to take that purple, what was it, Playtime, right here, and I'm going to put it up under my eye. Alright, well my camera cut off on me. Hopefully didn't miss too much. I put that Playtime that I had over my lid underneath, and now I'm going to go into, what was it, Hello There, that's right here, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Alright, I'm going to put on some Essence Lash Princess real quick. Alright, I pulled this out of my Sephora Favorites lip set. This is the NARS, let's see, Afterglow Lip Balm and Orgasm. And that's what the actual lipstick looks like. And I'm just going to throw that on real quick. Alright, well this is the final look, and as for what we think of all these products, starting at the end, the NARS lip balm, it's a nice lip balm. There isn't a whole lot of, there's a little pinky tint to it, but I think it's a nice lip balm. I don't know if I'd pay the normal price for it, but I think it's very moisturizing and very nice. The number 7 products, they're new-ish to me. I've used all of them before. I really enjoy them. If you haven't tried any number 7 products, you really need to, because they make beautiful products. The foundation is gorgeous. The powder is the main thing that I use constantly. I use it on my under eyes because it's kind of a finely milled soft powder. Just blurs the under eyes and makes them look gorgeous. So the concealer, foundation, as well as the bronzer are all beautiful products. So I would definitely recommend you check out some of number 7's products if you haven't already. For the palette, it's got like fingerprints all over it. I really enjoyed using this. I only used, 4 shades if you include the inner corner highlight. But, I mean, everything blended well. It didn't take long to blend at all. The shimmer was just gorgeous. And the shade that I put on my lid was gorgeous as well. Blended out gorgeously. So, I mean, I'm really enjoying this palette so far. I'm going to play with it some more, and I'll give you some of my final thoughts later on. But so far, first impressions, I'm really enjoying this palette. The only reason why I grabbed this palette was because the color story, it really spoke to me. I love greens, pinks, and purples. Mainly greens and purples. Pink used to be my favorite color, but it seems like greens and purples have kind of made their way into my heart a little bit more than pinks. So I really enjoyed the color story, and after I used the Morphe and Milani MUA palette, I wanted to give it one more shot to see how their formulation is now, because I've tried some of their palettes from a while back, but I wanted to see how their formulation was now. And so far, I'm really liking it. I need to try some more shades in the palette to give a more final conclusion, but So far, I'm really enjoying it. But that's really all for me today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family. And ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload some of my amazing content. So I guess that's going to be all for me, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.